Musamseleku want his fifth wife Makwela to come in Muzumbe to stay with him in his main house. Musamseleku didn't stay with any of his wives in his main house. He built houses for them, Makumalo, Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Macele. If you want to sleep with Makumalo, he can go to Makumalo's house or to Mayeni's house. But to Makwela, he want Makwela to come to stay with him in his main house. I think he made a mistake because that main house is for everyone. Musamseleku want to have a meeting with his wives. He can call all of them. They will come at main house. If they want what they want, they will come at main house. But if Makwela, she is staying there, I think it was wrong. Musamseleku was supposed to buy a house for Makwela. Musamseleku buy houses for other wives. I think he is not serious with Makwela. If he was serious with Makwela or he want Makwela to stay in Muzumbe, he was supposed to do what he done last time. Musamseleku build houses for Makumalo, Mangwawe, Mayeni, and Macele. Everyone have got their houses. Why he can't build a house for Makwela? He took a loan to buy houses for other wives. Makwela have to open her eyes before she ruined her life, because she is going to regret by someone who is not serious with her. I don't think that Musamseleku is serious with Makwela. He is doing it for content, for numbers, because Makwela was the one who came with attention of Utando Nestembo. There is a lot of drama. Musamseleku knows that when he bring Makwela, there is some of the confusion. He knows that maybe Mangwawe, she is going to threatening to divorce him. And some of the numbers, money came, you understand? I don't think that Musamseleku, he is serious with Makwela. Mangwawe, Mayeni, they are benefiting through Makwela because he is making a lot of money. That money, he is paying houses for other wives. But the main we have got content is Makwela. She is not benefiting anything. Makwela was asking Musamseleku about the money last time on season 9. She says, you have to increase my salary because the company is growing. Yes, maybe one of Makwela's family or Makwela's sister told you that you have to tell Musamseleku to increase the money because the company is growing. Musamseleku says, when you want more money, more kids, you have to have another child with me. Why Makwela, she didn't ask Musamseleku why you didn't brought a house for me? Yes, they don't want Makwela in Muzumbe. Why he can't buy a house for Makwela even out of Muzumbe? He can see Makwela because the Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo, they don't want Makwela. They say Makwela is your wife. But Musamseleku, it's not about it's the reason why he can't buy a house for Makwela. You understand? To stay with Makwela in her new house. I don't think that it was good to Makwela. Makwela have to open her eyes. That's why Makwela, she was asking money last time, that Musamseleku have to increase money because the company is growing. That company is growing because of Makwela. If it was not Makwela, yes, people were watching Utando Nestembo last time. But since season, because Musamseleku started introduce Makwela at last episode on season 7, so people, we are ready to watch season 8, what's going to be happen, the trailer, what Musamseleku was admitted. And I said that's the drama started on season 8. On season 1 to season 7, there is no drama what happened like season 8. Guys, Musamseleku gained a lot of money on season 8, and he knows that everyone is going to benefit because of the decision he decided to take the wife number 5. You understand it? So I don't think that he is serious with Makwela. If he was serious, he was taking, why he decided he doesn't have money to buy houses for other wives, but he decided to take a loan. Why he can't do the same thing to Makwela, you understand, than to buy a car for Makwela? You want to buy a car for her, but she doesn't have a place to stay. You can't say because Makwela at her parents' house, you can't say that she still have a place because Makwela is already married, but she is still staying at her parents' home.